a gull wing door, or completely different from that side of the car. Take a look at this. You've got a glass floor, and then this here is a floating passenger seat. How mad is that? Completely floating. All right. This is for when you want to be driven around. You can either have someone drive you, or the car will drive itself, and you are in this little cocoon of relaxation. Take a look at this. You've got an espresso coffee maker in the car. That's cool. And then you've got massage seats as well, and they're focused on really high-end materials. They've got the speakers integrated in the wood, the watch here. This brand is based in Paris, the fashion capital of the world, so they're concentrating on high-end fashion elements, haute couture, like these feathers in the back. Now, let me show you the other side of the car. Each side has their purpose, and this car is completely asymmetrical. This is 1400 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. They know that in future, not everyone wants to be driven around. Sometimes you still want to drive. It's also made for the track. There's a button here to move the seat forward. Get into position, hold that down, and it will go into drive. See the D there. This is the new company, DS Automobiles, and this is called the XE Tense. There's no roof, so I've got an umbrella here in London with me today. All right, we're ready. Are you ready? I'm gonna take it for a drive. Seatbelts. Okay, all buckled up. Oh my God! Haha! Woo! All right. Let's hope it doesn't rain.
I'm literally sitting on a glass panel, I think. I don't know if it's glass, but it's see-through. Oh my God. Yeah? Hello? I'm good. I'm kind of overwhelmed right now. I don't know how I'm going to go back to a normal car after this. This is mad. You've ruined me.